Welcome to the Keyideas Ring Builder onboarding tutorial series. To get started, open your Shopify App Store, search for Keyideas Ring Builder Jewelry app, and click Install. Once the app is installed, please fill out the detail form. Choose your store type and proceed. To begin, click on Quick Setup button. Then click on the Start Free Trial button. On the plan page, you can see the available plans. Under the free plan, click on the Start 14-Day Free Trial button. Your free trial is now active. Click on the Quick Setup button again, then click on the Enable App Embed button. Switch the toggle off and on for the Keyideas Ring Builder app embed, then click the Save button. You can now go back to the Setup Guide and click on the Open Diamond Page button to view the diamond listing on your store. Head to the Settings page, check your app configuration settings, and select a Shopify theme. You can change the general appearance of the app according to your store theme. You can select the stone collections you want to offer in your store. To view the app on your storefront, click on the links available below the Diamond Selection button. On the storefront, you can confirm that the app is successfully enabled. A sample ring collection is created and selected by default, allowing you to explore and test the app immediately. You can replace this sample collection with your own at any time. To update storefront text, such as headings and descriptions, go to the Language and Region section. Here you can choose your preferred language. Review the available ring size options for your store. Next, open the Translations tab. You can update the storefront text as needed. After saving, check your storefront to confirm the updates. For right-to-left languages, simply select the appropriate option to ensure the layout and text alignment display correctly across the storefront, and then click Save to apply the changes. If you need any help, we've provided step-by-step video tutorials, detailed FAQs, and a dedicated support option, so you can quickly find answers or reach out to our team with any questions or assistance you may need. You can update your details by clicking on Store Owner Detail link and save the changes made.